Welcome to our tutorial on how to unmute words on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the steps to easily manage muted words on your Twitter account. To begin, navigate to the side navigation menu on Twitter and click on More. From there, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Next, click on the Privacy and Safety tab within the Settings menu. Then, select Mute and Block to manage the mute settings for your account. Within the Mute and Block section, locate and click on Muted Words. This is where you can view and manage the words that you have previously muted on Twitter. Scroll through the list of muted words and click on the specific word that you'd like to unmute to select it. Finally, click the muted button next to the word you wish to unmute. By doing so, you are indicating that you want to remove the mute restriction on that particular word. With these simple steps, you can effectively unmute words on Twitter and ensure that you stay engaged with the content that matters to you. Take control of your Twitter experience by managing your muted words efficiently.